Good day viewers and thanks for tuning in to Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and only TV network with the free petrochemicals news show. You're watching the Petrochemical Market Synopsis with me, Pratiksha Jaipal. It's Friday, January 13th. Let's start with energy news. Crude oil prices gained on Thursday owing to a weakened US dollar. Brent crude prices rose by $1.36, settling at $84.03 per barrel, while WTI futures increased by 98 cents, settling at $78.39 per barrel. On Thursday, open spec naphtha prices inched higher by $5 per metric ton at $679 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. On Thursday in Asia, ethylene prices quoted lower in Asia while propylene prices remained constant. In HDPE, this week HDPE prices journeyed southward in Europe on account of a weak buying momentum and excess cargo avails. Buyers in the region are heard to be refraining from making additional material purchases owing to sufficient inventory avails in their warehouses. Meanwhile, competitively priced import cargoes from overseas markets also pressured prices lower. The downfall in prices was further driven by a sharp drop in ethylene feedstock contract prices. In the contract markets, HDPE film grade prices were assessed at Euro 1700 to 1705 per metric ton, FD Northwest Europe and FD Italy levels, a week-on-week decline of 30 euros per metric ton. HDPE injection grade prices were assessed at Euro 1660 to 1665 per metric ton FD Northwest Europe and FD Italy mark, while HDPE BM grade contract prices were also assessed at Euro 1660 to 1665 per metric ton FD Northwest Europe and FD Italy levels, both minus 30 euros per metric ton from last week. In the spot markets, HDPE film grade prices were assessed at Euro 1195 to 1205 per metric ton FD Northwest Europe levels, while HDPE injection grade prices were assessed at Euro 1195 to 1205 per metric ton FD Northwest Europe levels, both sharply lower by Euro 50 per metric ton from last week. Before we move on to the weekly market updates for PP and PVC in Europe and USA for today, please do click on the bell icon to subscribe to our free news channel, and if you like today's video, please remember to like this video by giving us a thumbs up. It motivates us to continue to bring you this free informative news service on a daily basis. Back to the weekly market updates for PP and PVC in Europe and USA. PP in Europe this week. PP contract prices down adjusted in Europe. PVC in Europe this week. PVC contract prices inched lower in Europe. PP in USA this week. PP export prices marched higher in the United States. PVC in USA this week. PVC export prices were assessed stable in the United States. We wish to update you on the 7th edition of Recycling and Carbon Emissions Race Conference, which will open its doors on 4th February 2023 at Hotel The Lalit, New Delhi, to welcome the most important and influential gathering of plastics recycling professionals. Don't miss this unique opportunity to network in person and connect with global industry leaders, decision makers, market players and industry peers over this one-day power-packed conference. For more information, visit www.raceconferences.com. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video on Monday to know more. This is Polymer Update with me, Pratiksha Jaipal from Mumbai. Many thanks for watching.